Alright, so 10 tips to make money with AI. If you're a beginner and you have no AI experience, you have no coding, no type of experience at all. So the first tip for how to make money with AI is you want to choose a product that you want to sell. So AI can do so much things. AI can make what? Music. It can write books. It can write code for you. It can images. It can make videos for you. It could make a game for you. It can't make food for you, but AI can do a lot for you. So write a movie script. There's so much things that AI can do. So you want to. The first tip is choose how you want to. What do you want to produce with your AI that makes money? So what products do you want to sell that's made by your AI? Once you choose what products you want to sell, tip number one. Tip number two is find the best software used to make that product with AI. So for example, one of my businesses where I have books that get sold on Amazon. I have lots of books. I have the AI platform that I use to make these books very quickly. I showed that in a tutorial on YouTube. You guys already saw that. If not, you should check that out. With that, I know that alright, these books are gonna sell on Amazon, and the best tool to make books on Amazon is the OneTapAI.com. So I use OneTapAI.com. I print out a book in like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and the book's on Amazon. And people always just buy stuff on Amazon because there's, over 1 billion buyers a day searching Amazon to buy stuff. So they stumble across the books, and then I take it a step farther and I hired someone to do the whole process, and they make the books on Amazon for me. So I hire people on Amazon. The people on Amazon, I hire people to make the books using OneTapAI.com. And so tip number two is know what software you're going to use to make what it is you want to make with AI. Tip number three would be
You won't make it. You're a weak kid.
learn how to use AI to make content. So one of the most important things you can do is make content for the product that you're selling when you want to make money. So you can use tools again like OneTapAI. It makes Twitter threads, and then the Twitter threads can get turned into ads. I make all my content with that, but you can use I don't know. There's a bunch of other software online that probably does it too, but you just want to choose one. And if you want to know the ones that I choose, like my best favorite list, they're all in the. I made a post in the Real Millionaires Club. You scan that link, you can see all my best ones. And I think I did a course on it too. But just choose one. So making content with AI is the next thing you need to make money. After that, number four would be oh man. What? Oh man, this game sucks. Number four would be to produce high quality content with AI. Because there's so much people who are going to be making content with AI that
Sometimes it's hard to
there's going
choose
to be a
the
lot
right
of
path,
content
but
that's
don't be
real
afraid.
mid.
You can always
And the
repeat.
mid content is going to
Learn
get pushed
from our
out by the
mistakes.
top level AI content. So you want to do that. That's number four, make it high quality. That's why I use OneTap AI. I actually paid monthly. I paid $9 a month, or they have a $29 a month plan. I pay for it, and I know I'm going to get quality work instead of using some free AI tool. What's next? Tip number five. Tip number five to make money online with
Sometimes it's hard to
AI.
choose the right path, but don't be afraid. You can always repeat. We learn from our mistakes.
Tip number 5 to make money with AI would be learn how to create videos with AI. Videos is one of the best forms of content you can post online. So if you're learning how to use AI to make videos, you're able to produce videos much faster than everyone else for a fraction of the cost. My bad, guys. It's so tough playing while should have never decided to do this. So you're gonna want to make videos with AI. Oh man. Oh man. Once you guys master making videos with AI, so much pain. Tip number 6. Bear with me, guys. This game is so tough. I'm starving. I think I'm about to go eat food after this. So I'm gonna end at tip number 7. Or let me hurry through the next tips. Making money with AI. You want to create a digital product. That's tip number 7. Tip number 6. Make a digital product with AI. Digital products are better than selling food, for example, because let's take Mr. Beast for example. He's selling these Mr. Feastables chocolate, and it's so tough to mass produce that and get it all around the world, and people in certain countries can't buy it, and his audience is worldwide. So if you make something that's digital, you can have everyone be able to try it out worldwide. Tip number 7. Would be
Sometimes it's hard to choose the right path, but don't be afraid. You can always repeat. We learn from our mistakes.
Yeah. It's crazy. This game is so tough. While doing a tutorial, like, this idea is so crazy. Alright, so tip number 7. Stay up to date on the top news for AI. What you're going to do is make a RS feed, which I show you guys how to do. It takes 5 seconds of your time. You make an RS feed and update you on the newest AI news. Or you can join an email list by entering a giveaway, and you'll receive the top AI news coming out. But you want to stay up to date in the industry you're trying to jump in. Tip number 8.
Sometimes it's hard to choose the right path, but don't be afraid.
Learn how to make music with AI. If you're making music with AI, now you own your sound and you don't have to get hit with copyrights on your music. And to make music, I had a whole course on that using AI in the Real Bros Millionaire Club. You guys can learn how to do that. Oh man. What the? Whoa. I hate this. This game is stressing me out, guys. Alright.
Sometimes it's hard to choose the right path, but don't be afraid.
Tip number
You can
9 would
always
be
repeat. We learn from our mistakes.
learn how to train your AI. So most people just use the basic AIs and stuff, and they don't know how to train an AI model because it's intelligent, so it can get smarter. You can train it. So I'll teach some of that in the Real Bros Millionaire Club. It's like very advanced stuff. That's tip number 9. And the final tip, tip number 10, because this game stressed me out. Tip number 10 is
Sometimes it's hard to choose the right path, but don't be afraid. You can always repeat. We learn from our mistakes.
tip number 10 for making money with AI. Maybe Woods could help us. What's another? I need a number 10 tip for making money with AI. I got to 9 and this game has stressed me out.
Number 10, making money with AI.
Yeah. You didn't hear the other tips, so it might be tough. But I'm curious if you had to throw one tip out.
Tip out to make money with AI.
So it's unfair to him, guys. He didn't get to hear the other tips.
Yeah, I hold on, my account. So yeah, if you want to make money with AI,
Tip number 10 is join the Real Bros Millionaire Club. Because in there, you actually have 2 mentors who are not playing only up to focus on helping you make money with AI. So you can tell us exactly what you know. You can tell us like, hey, I'm doing this. I have $100 to my name. I have $1 to my name. I have $1,000. I have $10,000. I want to make money with AI. My skills include this. You can tell us all about you, and we'll be able to help you, personally. Because making money for everyone is going to be different. Like everyone has different skills, and what works for someone will not work for you. So you have to find what works for you specifically. In order to do that, you need a mentor to help, dedicate a plan to you, or you need to be able to use the knowledge given to build a plan specifically for you. If you try to be someone else, you can never be that person. So I recommend spending $5 a month, $35 a month, $50 a month, whichever you can afford. The more you spend, you get more, how to make way more money online. But if you have no money, spend the $5 a month, and now you have access to 2 mentors. We're going to teach you how to make money online with the new cutting edge technology, with AI, with marketing and sales. Get your mindset right. You get access to courses and books in there. So I think that's tip number 10. And
I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought you already had that tip in there. That's why.
yeah, I
didn't want to.
I was falling off cliffs. It was like, it's so tough. It's so tough.
Yeah.
But that is the biggest tip. Have a mentor, and there's no better mentor than
Real bros.
the Real Bros. Join the family. Like, join our community. We're trying to get a number of how much money all our people in our family makes to be over, we want to do over $1 billion first. So we're going for $1 billion combined from everyone in the club. So join us. We're going to help get you to, your first million. Unless you're already at your first million, then you're going for 10. And if we can get everyone in the group to make, 10 to 100 mil in the course of a couple of years, 3 to 5 years, then we're going to cross that $1 billion really quick. So that's our goal. We want everyone, we want the whole family to be rich. So we can all call up each other. Let's say me and Woods are working on a project. We need someone who's in another state. And like, hey, we need help with this in another state. We want to put up some billboard, and someone in the family is in that state. We're able to all collaborate together. So that's why I really love the Real Bros Millionaire Club. I can't wait to see it grow and keep growing. I'm actually been surprised with how fast,
Go back to the favelas.
people have been joining. Like, we really appreciate you guys so much. Like, it really means a lot. So, you know, that's pretty much tips. I'm gonna turn over to Woog so he can answer some questions. I'll read some more questions from you guys right now. Woods can answer while